Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to talk to you about XRP because this altcoin market has been going absolutely crazy. 40, 50, 60 and even 70% pumps in a single day. So I just want to talk to you about XRP and see if we can catch an entry on this and get that moonshot that we've been waiting on all year. Can this finally break out? You can see here we're into a critical point in the chart, critical, and we're only 2 days away from a new monthly candle. So, it's probably one of the most critical times in XRP's history. So I think it's only fair that we talk about this and try and analyze this. Okay, before we get into that, guys, please click that bell there and subscribe to the channel. Also, give the video a thumbs up. It just helps the channel. It takes a long time to make these videos and edit them and get them posted and stuff. So I appreciate that if you give it a thumbs up. Okay. Well, since we're talking about XRP here, I'll just show you some of the gains that one of our members made in the channel this week in our live trading room. You can see here he's trading XRP and he bought it at 3,000 sats, but he was at almost 4 BTC profit, so he's up about $40,000 in profit, which is not too bad at all. That was 25%. So, some nice gains there. So if you'd like to join us in there and just take some trades with us and stuff and learn, become a better trader, take the 3-day free trial and join us in there. Okay guys, let's get into this. So what is XRP doing? What is XRP doing? Now, what I will say first off the bat, there is a potential we have a huge breakout here, guys. But I'm going to talk about the cautious stuff first. I'm not here to try and pump anything to you. I want you to understand the risks first, and then I will talk about the bullish side of things. Now, if you understand patterns, guys, this is an ascending triangle, descending triangle. Sorry, a descending triangle. And a descending triangle is a bearish pattern, guys. It's a bearish pattern, and that tells us that we would be likely to break out to the downside. But the problem is, on a descending triangle, you normally take the distance of the breadth of the pattern there and move it to the downside. So what happens? That makes XRP go to minus 50 cent. So that does not work. Okay, that does not work at all. So the other possibility, guys, is you do it in a percentage base. Now, I don't know if a lot of people know this or what, but so this will be educational for people. There's 73%. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I just want to run through a few things here, guys. First, 75%. So that's telling us, guys, that XRP could go down to 7 cent. Is that possible, guys? Is that possible? I'm just outlining what that pattern is telling us of the possibility. Okay, of the possibility. So now that that's out of the way, I'm not saying that's happening, guys, but I just have to put that out there before we start talking about the bullish options here. Now, we have broke down here. This trend line right here is critical. Absolutely massively important. XRP cannot be truly bullish, guys, until we get back above this trend line. Now, first of all, we need to get back above this, and we need to get back above this. But this is why I made the video, guys. This is why I made the video. Move that. We are 2 days away from a new month. 2 days away from a new month, and a new month will open up right here on this necktie. You can see right here where this trend line here. I'll just maybe fix that a little bit. But this trend line here meets this trend line right here. And a necktie is monstrous resistance, guys. It's very important. But if price breaks through a necktie, it's huge. It's huge. It's a break in structure. It's a break in structure. It's a break in solid support. And that solid support should now become resistance. So it's the 29th of October. And this is why it's critical, because we need to find a long entry next month. Now, price is either going to break up here and explode through that, or price is going to come up here and reject off that and roll over and break down. You know, and of course that's one of the two things. But the safe way to play this, guys, is, you know, if say XRP dips now at the start of the next month, it might not even dip. But if we can find a safe entry here with a tight stop on a new month, we will hopefully be already in the trade and have our stop moved up to break even, so we cannot lose. And if it moves up here and breaks out, then we are good to go. We are good for this moonshot, guys, and we'll start making some serious money. Now, if it comes back down and stops us out, we will have our stop at break even. No big deal. Then we will wait and try again. So that is the strategy, and I suspect you know, a possible entry in the first 3 to 5 days of a new month on that. You know, to find that safe entry before we get that move. So that is my thought process on that. I mean, you know, it's a game of probabilities, guys, and we want to take the safe probabilities. We do want to be trying to get long up here, you know, before it breaks out or whatever, just as it's breaking out and then get rejected. We're not playing that game, guys. We're playing this, you know, professionally, and we wanna do this safe. And also it gives us a chance of making as much money as possible, you know, on a low risk, the best risk reward. So if you'd like some help on that, or if you'd like to even watch us try to find that entry or whatever, you know, take the 3-day free trial and, you know, join in, wait and see if we can get that entry. The entry might not even happen, but if it does, we will be taking that. So that's it, guys. There is massive resistance here, but you know, that's the situation we're in right now. A larger bearish pattern, but can this bearish pattern fail and we move to the upside? We have to play the probabilities and try and find that safe entry, and you know, and prepare correctly for that. Okay, very quickly here, XRP BTC. I'll just talk for 1 minute on this. A lot of people have asked me about this also. Now, what I want to show you here is, guys, this is not a breakdown. This, in my opinion, this is just a pullback. We've pulled back perfectly into the 61%, as you can see right here, into the golden pocket, 61%. Nothing wrong here at all, guys. In my opinion, XRP is gonna consolidate a bit and then start moving higher. Now, you notice here we have formed a higher high. Now, I would probably say that's the first higher high in a year. I'm not even going to go back. It'll take too long. But we formed a clear higher high, guys. Absolutely clear higher high. That's very important. Now, I think at least we test this structure back in here. You can see the touch on here, touch on here. So this is down in here is a decent entry. We may get another touch down here, a test of the lows or whatever. But down in this range, in my opinion, is a good entry for some higher prices. We will be trading that in the group also. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I don't want the video to run on too long. It's almost 9 minutes. So I'm going to cut that off. So thanks for watching, guys. And I appreciate those thumbs up and comments. If you'd like me to talk about any other coin, please put it in the comments below. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Over and out.